In this video, we will break down the different activity types you are able to run on Rolljak. Open-ended. Participants respond with single or multiple answers to your question. Sketch it out. Find innovative drawing ideas from your participants to the question you pose. Poll. Let your participants choose a response from multiple options and answer questions to gauge their opinions. Unscramble. Participants arrange the words in the correct order to form a cohesive sentence. Multiple choice. This activity allows you to set the correct answer to test the knowledge of your participants. Auto-scoring. This activity allows you to generate an accuracy score based on your model answers. Explore these activities and get rolling with Rolljak.